Myself, Gajendra Singh, and I am a PhD scholar, University of Patanjali Haridwar, and under the guidance of Dr. Sandeep Kumar Singh. And my topic is the role of Indian philosophy in national integration, a review. मैंने एक review paper लिखा है और next and that introduction is philosophical include a broad range of the concept from any historical areas and the cultural settings, and between the various tradition Indian and Western philosophy stand out as the two vertical intellectual research, each in various viewpoints, skill and contributions to humanities and quest of the knowledge about reality, meaning of life and behavior, and perspective look at the many ways that in different the community have and struggle with significant philosophical concern and produce typical response to them, and can be gained by the differentiative Western and Indian philosophical with roots accept in the classical texts like Vedas, Upanishad, and legend of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Indian philosophy involved in the college of metaphysical, epistemological, ethical, and the technological have to do with numerous philosophical traditions are covered, including Vedanta, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, and Mimamsa. Between other, each of this tradition of this offers an original viewpoint of reality, knowledge, each ethics, and the ultimate goal of the human existence. And the Bhardwaj et al. 2024 इस पेपर से हमें लिया है. Next, the next is the presence of the multiculturalism figures, and the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a Rigveda in a 1.64.46, and that Jainism is Ahimsa and non-violence, and the Buddhism is the Bhakti and Sufi movement. Next. And these are the unity and diversity of created according to the Vedantic concept. And the Vedanta beliefs and the ideas and the consciousness and the principle, Chetan Tattva, and the energy principle and the Jada Tattva are two fundamental of the principle that from the universe and whole, while the consciousness principle is found beyond space-time vibrations, and the three main components of space-time and variance, and Desh, Kal, and Nimit or Kampan are the most basic component and the fundamental building blocks of the universe entire matter principle. These three components of the interconnected and create an ongoing continuum all through all matter, including the simplest from the energy. It's a Nitya Yoganand 2023 की बात बोली है. Next, social justice and inculcatory, that we can conclude that Dr. Ambedkar ideas are not limited any particular social class of economy sector by reading work by and about him regarding. Dr. Ambedkar provide us clear guideline on the number of topics include financial stability and the balanced growth of the industry and agriculture, the use of extra labor in the agriculture sector, strong social infrastructure through education of the children and women's engagement in economy activities. Next. And the role of dharma in national identity, and the since in the humans and the experience and itself is the subject of culture, society, history, religions, and ethics. It is the human reality that draw the attention. Human civilizations work to improve the state of humanity and through improving the socio potential, moral, and spiritual well-being. The Pradhan 2021 इन्होंने कहा है the ethical and moral values, the sense and the Vedic area, Indian school of the of thinking on the side from the Charvaka materialistic have been influenced by common and fundamental concept of the universe, man, and values these ideas from the philosophical basis of Indian political, legal, and जी पढ़ के समझाता हूँ. ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर. जो अगर हम इथिकल और मॉरल वैल्यूज़ की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इसमें चाहे चारवाक हो और या फिर चारवाक ने इस चीज़ को कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज़ को डिनाई किया है. बाकी जो और हमारे दर्शन से या स्कूल्स हैं उन्होंने इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट किया है और इसी चीज़ में इन्होंने बिलीव भी किया है. एंड नेवर एंडिंग एंड द स्पेस एंड टाइम एंड दैट, उन्होंने कहा है कि समय और जो है स्पेस कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट. एंड द चैलेंज इन द नेशनल इंटीग्रेशंस की समाज के लिए क्या क्या इंटीग्रेशंस हो सकते हैं, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं. इससे एथनिक और रिलीजियस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकते हैं, सोशल एक्सक्लूजन्स हो सकते हैं, एंड द इथिक्स एंड द रिलीजियस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में हम देख सकते हैं ग्रेटर फिलोसफर कार्ल मार्क्स ऑफन स्टेंड द फिलोसफर गोल्स इन चेंज द वर्ल्ड अल्टरनेटली ऑफ द जस्ट एनालाइज इट फिलोसफी कैन एंड डज चेंज द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज फिलोसफर मोटिव एंड ऑडियंस. एंड नेक्स्ट अगर हम सोशल एक्सक्लूजन की बात करते हैं तो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटरकल्चर फिलोसफी इज व्यू एट द ग्लोबल नॉर्थ साइड डिवीजन ऑन द contingent level based the understanding of intellectual intercultural philosophy. वही intercultural philosophy की और belong करते हैं that multi-religious society, it is important to remember that given the reality or African have shared family tree, कि जो एक अफ्रीकन लोग हैं उन्होंने एक फैमिली ट्री की तरह इसको एक्सेप्ट किया और बताया है. Next is the colonial legacies, and the another long-lasting feature is the integration, which gave everyone in society equal opportunity and right to take advantage of number of facilities. कि समाज में जो भी लोग रह रहे हैं उनको एक समानता वाली जो अधिकार होता है या एक समानता वाले जो राइट्स हैं वो उस चीज़ के लिए वो कर रहे हैं. एडवांटेज एंड फैसिलिटीज़ के अधिकार हैं और एज अ प्री कंडीशंस ऑफ द इम्प्रूविंग एंड प्रोसेस ऑफ नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन, नेशनल गवर्नमेंट्स मस्ट बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड इक्वल राइट्स. जो हमारी नेशनल इक्विपमेंट्स हैं उन्होंने ये राइट्स प्रोवाइड किए हैं. Next is conclusion, result and conclusion. The greatest philosopher is the world believe that in the basic idea of all Indian philosophy's principle, there is the being of the existence above the physical and mental solving and encounter here in this is ultimate reality of everything. Throughout the civilization is history, numerous of spiritual leaders and saints of the purchased masses of the peace, performance and consistency, which is the ingrained of the society. The most fundamental element and the building blocks of the universe, the three primary components, space, time and vibrations, Tejas, Kal and Nimit on Kampan. His attention down to human reality, which is the focus on the culture, society, history, religious and ethics. The intellectual foundation of the Indian political, legal and economy throughout this concept. The utilization of additional labor is the agriculture sector, balanced growth of industry and agriculture, the development of the robust and social infrastructure throughout child education and the participation of women in economic activities. Thank you.